Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're looking at a fantastic toolset, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. This set includes two powerful, compact tools designed for both home DIYers and professionals. Let's dive into its features and see why this combo kit could be the perfect addition to your toolbox. Starting with the 2-speed transmission, the DEWALT Combo Kit gives you a range of speeds. Choose between 0 to 450 revolutions per minute for control or 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute for faster drilling. This allows you to tackle a wide range of tasks with precision. Next, we have the high-performance motor, which delivers 300 unit watts out for impressive power, handling both light and more demanding tasks with ease. This level of power is essential for applications that require that extra bit of force. Now, let's talk about the compact and lightweight design. Both the drill and the impact driver weigh only 2.8 pounds and are compact, making it easy to work in tight spaces or overhead without strain. The 5.55 inches front-to-back size fits comfortably in hard-to-reach spots, so you'll find this kit is handy for a variety of tasks. A standout feature of this kit is the 0.5 inches Ratcheting Chuck on the drill, which provides a strong grip on your bits for added control. Whether you're drilling into wood or metal, the secure grip helps ensure accuracy and reliability. Another helpful aspect is the ergonomic handle design. This handle is crafted for comfort, helping reduce fatigue during extended jobs and giving you full control over the tool for more precise work. For the impact driver, the one-handed loading 0.25 inches hex chuck is a fantastic feature. You can load 1-inch bit tips quickly and easily, making bit changes smooth and efficient, so you don't have to stop and fuss with your tools. Finally, the LED light ring on the impact driver is a game changer. The 3 LEDs illuminate your workspace with a 20-second delay, allowing for clear, shadow-free visibility when working in dim or enclosed spaces. In summary, the DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit is a well-rounded, powerful, and convenient set that's perfect for anyone tackling various projects. Its compact size, ergonomic design, and extra features make it versatile and practical. If you're interested in getting one, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.